Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am your sir Irfan Noorani Mehman. I have a lot of days has been passed and no Sindhi language for foreigners has been implemented. So today I will teach you a lesson. Now come to the lesson, and this is the Sindhi third lesson. So sabak tune lesson 3. Bheder bhe teder te. This one is the bhitte, bhe. This one is the hayadar he, hamza pesho, he, bheder bhe teder te, bhitte, he, bhitte, alamanda, haye he, ahe, bhitte, he, bhitte, ahe. Farsi, see here, what is the pronunciation of this bhitte? Bhet. He, H-E-E, he. The pronunciation of this one is also bhete. He. He, bhit, ahe. In Sindhi, this is the pronunciation. In English, we say bhit, wall. And he means this. It is a very near. Something is very near and it is called this. So this is the wall. He bhit ahe. This is a wall. Is means ahe is the meaning of the ahe in English. It is a is. Bhit it is the main wall. Ahe is he. This in English he we say this. Now come to the second point. Chedere che te. This is the pronunciation of the word chit. Hayadar he, hamza dabra, he, cheder che, teder te, chitte, he, chitte, alamanda, he, ahe, chitte, he, chitte, ahe. You can pronounce and sound with me and speak with me, and then you will learn quick. Okay, come here. Chitte, the sound of this one is the chitte. He means this. In English we say this. Chitte. Chitta means ceiling. There are the two ceiling. The inside is called ceiling and outside of the room is called roof. But this one is the inside. Chitta inside. It is called ceiling. Okay, ahe means is. So chitta ceiling in English, and the translation of this sentence in this is the ceiling. He chitta ahe. Now come to the third point. Third sentence, teder te, tadere de, tidde. You speak and speak with me and you will learn easily. Okay, and quickly you will learn. Now, hayadar he, hamza dabara, he, the sound of this he is written here. He, teder te, tadere de, tidde. Not teder te, teder de. No, teder te, tadere de, tidde. He, tidde. Alamanda, he, ahe. Tidde, here, tidde, ahe. In Sindhi we say tidde. The sound of this one is here, tidde, ahe. In English, ahe means is, tidde means grasshopper. Grasshopper means tidde, and he is this. In English, we say this. Now come here, see here, the translation of this sentence is here. Grasshopper means tidde. This is a grasshopper. Here, tidde, ahe. Okay, this is a grasshopper. The meaning of this sentence is that. Okay, now come here. Adda, al-zabra, alam-zabra, tal-zabra, adda. In Sindhi we say adda. Okay, in English we say front position. It is called adda. Gafal ga, tal-da, gada. This one is the sound of this word is gada. In English we say cart. Okay, okay. Now bhedavar ba, gelavar dhakka, bha in sound. The sound of this word, Sindhi word is bha. In English we say rain or filly. Filly means go without permission and escape. It's the same thing. Okay, come here. Te te khelavar kha tikka. Speak with me. Te te khelavar kha tikka. It means a sharp. For an example, knife is a very sharp. It means it cut quickly. and it is not blunt. Opposite of the sharp is a blunt, very difficult to cut. So tikka means sharp. Vadrave kedabraka vikha. Vikha means in Sindhi says vikha. In English we say step, to take a step. To take a step means vikha. Chedabra cha, tedabata chatta. This is the chatta. In English we say ladle. This is called a ladle. So this is the third lesson finished. Now this is the activity we have doing here. We have nearly 50 to 60 activities I have made in a register. This is the fifth activity. We will now inshallah do this. Now see the below this total activity we see that alif, be, te. You can speak with me and inshallah you will learn quick. Alif, be, te, se, pe, jim, de, jhe, ne, che, khaye, dal, re, seen, swad, toa, ain, gain, fe, kaf, ke, gav, ge, nge, lam, mim, nun, ne, wa, he, hamza, ya. I have not written their sounds because all of the 52 letters sounds I have not written because I have already done this again and again. So you will see here and fill all the activity. Nukta vijo. Nukta means points. For there is a point. In Sindhi, Urdu and other languages there are points are there which shows the different letters. Where 1 point is given. This is called a point. Where 2 points are given here. So you will see this passage and write all of the activity above. Do yourself, please. Okay, and go through the follow the back lessons. I have already previous lessons, and you should learn this from Alif to J. Okay, now come here. This one is the third column where Sindhi words are written in English and their meanings also. So see here, I will teach you now Andho. This is a Sindhi word. It means Andho. Andho means blind. Okay, Lulu. Lulu means one leg. Lolo. Lolo means lolo. Lolo means one leg, either one-handed. That is called a lolo in Sindhi. Gungo. Gungo means not talking, cannot talk. In English we say dumb, not dump, dumb. Okay, makhi ji makka. In Sindhi, makhi ji makka. In English we say bee. Machhar means mosquito. Okay. Makodi. In Sindhi, in English we say ant. Juva. It is present in your hair, in your head. Ju. In English say lice. Kumi. This one is kumi is an animal which is present in the ocean or pond or river or any pool of water. Kumi. In English we say turtle. Dedar. It is a frog. Vagu is a vagu. Vagu means crocodile. Machi means fish. So this is the lesson. This is lesson number 3 I have completed. Now you should study it again and get the good results. Okay. Any problem regarding any lesson, you should contact with me in my this identity, Facebook or YouTube, and also subscribe this one. Okay, now we will come next time to the fourth lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz.